Welcome. My name is Professor Abid Ali Jafar Sheikh from Parvatibai Genba Mose College of Engineering, Wagoli, Pune. Today we are going to see encapsulation in Java. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is a process of wrapping data member and functions together into a single unit. Encapsulation is a process of wrapping data and methods together into single unit. Fully encapsulated class in Java. A fully encapsulated class, we have to make all data member as private and provide setter and getter method to set and get the data. This is a pictorial description of encapsulation. Here we have represented class, and class contain variables and methods or data member, and they are encapsulated into a single unit as a class. Example of encapsulation: consider this class. We have defined one class student, and that class we have declared one variable name and made that variable private. So private string name is one member of this student or data member of this student class, and we have provided two methods. First is a public string get name. To get the name, it returns the name, so get name method is to get the data. And second, we have provided setter method, public void set name string x and name is equal to x, to set the name for the student. So what we have done in this class we have declared one string name of the student, and provided two methods, set name and get name, to access the name variable. So this is the example of a encapsulation. Next, if you want to use that student class, we have created another class test, and we have declared one main method, and then we have created object of this student class, student s is equal to new student, and we are now setting the value of a name variable. So s dot set name, here we have set name method to set the name Vijay we have set, and system dot output printed in s dot get name. So get name is used to get that name. So we are not directly accessing this name variable, we are making them private and providing public methods get name and set name to access this name. So we will see this practically. So we will define one class public class student, and we will define private member, private string name, and here we will provide two methods, public method, public string get name will return the name. So return type of that method is a return string, because name is a string, so string is the return type. Get name, return name, and second method we will provide is a set name, public void because we are not returning anything from this method, we are just setting the name, set name, and name we will pass is a string x, and this we will set to the name. So name is equal to this x. So we will save this, save student.java. Now compile this singly. Java C student.java. This compile successfully. Now we will create another test class test, and create main method. So signature of main method public static void main at string args. So here we will first create the object of a student class. Student s is equal to new student. Now s dot set name, we will first call set name method and pass Amit, for example. Save. After setting the name, we will print the name using system dot out dot println as dot get name. We are directly calling get name method here. We will save this. Everything is all right. Then we will again compile java c student.java. Now we want to run this class, so we have to use command java test. We will use java test. We are not running the student class, we are running the test class. It will print the Amit. Now as we have made this variable private, so if you try to set name without this public method, this set name, it will throw error. Check this out. Instead of doing this, if I write s dot name is equal to Amit, so we are not using set name method, we are directly accessing this private variable. Now this will throw error. You cannot access. Name has a private access in student, so you cannot directly access this name variable. As we have encapsulated this name variable in single unit with these methods, you have to use this set name method to access this variable only, or you cannot even print this value directly. So this is not controls here. So you cannot directly set value, or you cannot directly get the value also. This is s dot name. So this will also going to throw error because it has a private access. So if we make this variable as a public, then this will run. This compile java test. So Amit is printed here. Set name. Why this runs? Because we have made this public, but for encapsulation we are making this private. And now, and this using get name method. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation making variable or wrapping variable and function together. So here in student class we have defined one variable name, made that private, and provide two methods, get name and set name, to access this name variable. So return type of a get name method is a data type of a variable, and for set name we are setting this string x, the value we are passing there. And this is encapsulation. Thank you for watching this video.